All right, so we're going to make some lotion bars today, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that my scale is accurate. So I'm going to calculate it. I have a 500-gram weight that I'm going to stick on top, and it should say 500. Should weigh in. Here we go. Perfect. So my scale's good. So we're going to start off with some apricot kernel oil. I measure out I think 12.5% of my recipe is that. So this is a 340-gram recipe. Then we do another 12.5% of sunflower oil. So we just set that aside. I'm going to be using 10% hemp seed oil. There's no THC in this. It's just good skin lotion stuff. So we're going to have 10% of coconut oil. I like to use the organic stuff. And then we will add in some cocoa butter, which I forgot to shoot. And then we're going to have some mango butter coming up here. So we have mango butter coming in. And then I'm going to have some emulsifiers. So I'm going to use bihydramonium methosulfate. And then I'm also going to use Glyceryl Stearate and PEG 100 as a stabilizer. I'm going to use candelilla wax to help as a binder. And I'm going to use Cetearyl Alcohol to help deliver the lotion into the skin, right? You gotta melt all the hard ingredients. So that's all your emulsifiers, all your waxes, all of your hard oils, or your butters if you want to think of them in that term. So you want to do this either in a double boiler, or you want to do it in the microwave and watch the temperature, because you don't want the chocolate to get too hot, the cocoa butter to get too hot, because you want it to have a nice tempered look. After you get it out of the microwave or your double boiler, you're just going to add in your other oils. So your sunflower oil, your hemp seed oil, your apricot oil, you just put them in. That's why they're pre-measured. So you'll get all that in there, and you'll mix it well. So let's do that real quick. Let's give it a stir. I think I got everything in there. Oh, no, the fragrance. I got to put the fragrance in too. So this is a floral blend fragrance, but pretty easy to make, so just mix it well. The temperature of this is about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So, it all becomes a homogeneous mixture. And then you're just going to pour it into a mold of your choice. I bought these little bumblebee molds on Amazon. They make for a 1.5 ounce lotion bar, and they fit inside of a 2-ounce container, like a tin container. They're just high enough, and just they have enough circumference so that they can fit into that can. So they're not too large. A lot of soap molds tend to, like if you have silicone round soap molds, they tend to be too large for most of your conventional tins. So I like these ones because A, they got the cute top on them, and B, they fit into the tins otherwise. So as you can see, the oil has a nice tempered look. As it dries, it'll get kind of shiny and glossy looking. It'll turn kind of a real pale green because of the hemp oil, and have a nice hard sheen to it. It'll look almost like a truffle when it's done, and it melts on skin contact. So so it doesn't take a lot of body heat to make this a useful product for your skin. Okay, so just finish pouring these off. I'll see if I can remember to put the whole recipe for these in the notes. I'm doing this on my phone, so I have to think about what went into it. But yeah, there you go. That last one's a little short, so that'll probably be my tester. All right, so it's been 24 hours now, and so let's unmold them. And you can tell that they're ready to unmold because they just release from the side. There's a little gap there, so they've shrunk just slightly. Sorry about that. And then they just look good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have fun making your own lotion bars. I'll put the recipe in the notes, and good luck to you. Feel free to drop comments. Thanks.